Alright. We bought an 80,500 quid auction property online, and now we're doing a complete renovation. So we've done video number 1, which we're going to link just here. This is video number 2, and we're going to give you an update on how the process has been going and what we've been getting up to inside. A couple of changes, so I think it'll be interesting to talk you through what we're now proposing to do as opposed to what we thought we was going to do. Yeah, so stay tuned. So now we're in bedroom number 2, and this is the only room that's been completely plastered. So we wanted to just show you what's been going on in this room first, and then we'll take you around to the other bedrooms and the bathroom and other areas in the house. So as you can see, all the walls are nicely plastered and done, all looking smooth and soft and creamy. And you know, we've completed the first fix electrics. So we've got now double sockets on the walls in order to allow for a mounted TV to be put up there and to house that. We've added a few more double sockets as well in the room in order to, you know, give more access to electronics. Light switch will be here. That means that the door will be opening on this side and open this way in order to allow for the light socket to be there. If we go into bedroom number 3, so not much has really happened in here other than it's been completely stripped out. The door linings are now in. So as you can see, the door linings are in. My camera person is falling over screws. Yeah, the door linings are in, so the doors are going to be hung probably after the plaster has been and, you know, skimmed everywhere, and this is all boarded up, of course, before that happens. So if you come in here, I'll just show you what's going on. So we've added a plug socket just here, a double plug socket. We've added one just here as well, and we also are running from this wall a number of things. So we've got a new light switch which wasn't here before. We've also got cabling for the light that's going in the bathroom, the mirror light that's going in the bathroom. And then we've just kind of completely gutted the place. It's a bit of a mess, and there's materials everywhere, and there's bits of alterations and floors missing and all sorts. But we're getting there, So if we move into the hallway, as you can see, we've got our new stud wall that's now up. And this creates the wall for bedroom number 3, and then also the walls for the bathroom. So we'll come to the bathroom in a second. But moving into bedroom number 1, so I think this is probably going to be one of my favourite bedrooms actually. So bedroom number 1, we've started the plaster work, and what you'll see is on this wall has actually been dot and dabbed. So what that means is that you've got a big piece of plasterboard, and you basically use adhesive, you know, stick that on the wall and then fix some plasterboard on top of that. We've got, as with bedroom number 2, we've got your double socket up on the wall there for your TV, and we've started skimming around the window. If we come over here, so what I was thinking was going to happen is was going to have like a built-in type wardrobe, and that was probably going to be like this size. However, we've actually extended this out by taking down some of this wall, and then we've created a larger space. So this is about 5 foot wide now, and that should be a really nice wardrobe area. One thing that I do have to mention is that all of these walls are effectively plasterboard just dabbed together, so none of it's actually stud work. So we had to actually, this is the existing walls. So what we had to do is actually thicken these walls out by adding some CLS to the inside of these walls. We then are going to insulate these walls, board them, and then skim them. And then that will just finish off this room nicely. So if we go into the bathroom, okay, so now we're in the bathroom area, and we've got our stud work all built. So this wall is now up, and that extends round to this wall here and completes that side and creates this doorway, which we had planned to do, which is great. One of the things that we've now tried to juggle with is where we're going to place certain sanitary ware. So if you can imagine, we're gonna have our sink there, our toilet here, a radiator on this wall, and then if you come round, what you should be able to see now is a nice shower cubicle. So we've got our first fix plumbing in place, ready to go for the shower mixer to go in place. And this needs to be waterproofed, like a water proofing membrane to go on. And then we need to finish boarding up in the bathroom. And yeah, that should be it. Ready?
Yep.
All right, so coming down the stairs. Okay, just mind you step on my way down. We've pretty much finished it off the strip out. There or thereabouts. Probably little minor bits to do, but it's there or thereabouts done. And yeah, what we needed to do is get the stairwell all clear of wallpaper in order to allow for the plasterers to come in and skim the stairwell. That's pretty much done now, which is great, and we can progress, you know, plastering this whole area, which is good. In terms of joinery work, so the joinery work is starting to progress. We've got most door frames now in, some of them fixed properly, some of them not. Wednesday we should be able to get that completely done, and you know, get those walls, those doors hung. So we're coming through to the living room. So the ceiling's been skimmed, which is great, and you know, we're pretty much done in here in terms of, you know, preparatory work. There's been minor little bits of filling to do here that'll probably be rubbed down, and then we'll start to get paint on these walls. There may be, you know, some filling to do. I'm sure there will be, where you've got, you know, bits like this that need to be taken out, like wall plugs that need to be taken out, and then, you know, filling those will be good to go. Into the dining area. So not much has changed as such to the walls other than the electrics being done. So if you look up, what you should be able to see is the first fix electrics for the spotlights. So the spotlights are all in, and hopefully we'll get all these other bits taken out, like the old pendant and that switch, which is now going to be moved to this wall, so that when you walk into the room, you'll be able to access the switch from that way, and that will be a two-way switch to operate the lights, spotlights in the kitchen, and then also the spotlights over in this room. So in terms of the kitchen's been ordered, and that's coming on Wednesday as well, and that should progress. Hopefully the plastering will be done and dusted by then, and the kitchen can be installed, and then we'll start running our way through with the flooring. I do have a test that I need to do. We've got these weird tiles on the floor, these very, very old kind of, they look like vinyl tiles, and I'm pretty sure they are, but they could be asbestos. So I don't know that for certain yet. And so I'm gonna do a test today, take a sample, send that off to the lab, and hopefully that will come back negative and there's no issues there in terms of asbestos. And that's pretty much it, to be fair. That's where we're at the minute. So, yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is just an update, and we'll give you further updates, so subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Bye.